Welcome back ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about type of formula in organic chemistry. There are four type of formula in organic chemistry. First of all, molecular formula. The molecular formula is the simplest formula which give only idea about number of atom used and name of element used. Suppose that ethane. In ethane, the molecular formula is 8 plus N, 8, C2H6. This is molecular formula. In which formula only we can know two things. The name of element present in molecule carbon and hydrogen, and the number of atoms used in single molecule, 2 carbon atom and 6 hydrogen atom. This is known as molecular formula, but it does not give us detail about the organic compound. So the second type is used condensed formula. Condensed formula gives some more detail than molecular formula. Example, CH3 is the condensed formula of ethane. This is the molecular formula of ethane and this is condensed formula of ethane. There is some difference about molecular and condensed formula. In molecular formula, only name of element and the number of atoms used in molecular. While in condensed formula, some structure has been also discussed about the organic compound. But in case of third, structural formula, it gives us more information than condensed formula and molecular formula. The example of ethane in structural formula is CH3 and CH3. This is the structural formula. This is the condensed formula and this is the molecular formula. But sometimes there is a special type formula is known as simplest formula. Very simple, and in this formula we can only find out only the ratio and known as empirical formula. Empirical formula which give us only name of element and the ratio of element used. In case of ethane, name of element carbon and hydrogen, and ratio is 2 and 6. It means 1 and 3. So ratio is 1 and 3. You cannot write 1, CH3. CH3 is the empirical formula. Molecular formula C2H6, while condensed formula CH3, and the structural formula CH3, because carbon has 4 valency and this carbon has 4 valency and hydrogen has 1 valency. And the other type formula is the line formula. This is not in the syllabus of ICSC, but you can write it. This is known as line formula. This means one methyl group here and the second methyl group is here. We simply use only this and this method in ICSC class 10. But there is a question, how can you write the name of any formula? We have discussed in our first video that there are two things to naming root and suffix. The root is depend on the number of carbon atom present in the longest chain, while suffix is depend on the general formula. If you know the general formula and the number of carbon atom, then you can easily write the molecular name of any organic compound. Example, C6H14, in which we know that the carbon is 6. The 6 means hex. 6 means hex. And the general formula which is suitable in CnH2n plus 2, which is just fit in this. So it is N, alkane, hex plus N is equal to hexane. And same process, if C3H6, if you want to naming this organic compound, then carbon is 3, make a probe, and it is fit in the formula CnH2n. Hydrogen is just double to carbon atom, and this is suffix has ene. Pro plus ene is equal to propene. If there is CH3COOH, CH3COOH, then the number of carbon atom 1 and 2 make an eighth, and the suffix is COOH, oic acid. So it is known as ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. You can write all the organic compound by this way, and the naming of this organic compound are very easy. C7H12. C7. This means the root is hept, and this is fit in formula CnH2n minus 2. 2n minus 2. This is fit on this formula. So its suffix is ene, and this is known as heptine. You can write it very easily, any organic compound, by this process. The empirical formula gives us only the name of compound and the ratio of atom present, while the molecular formula gives the name of compound and real number of atom present, while the condensed formula gives the lump sum structure about the organic compound, while the structural formula gives us clear view about the structure. And in higher class, Land formula is also used, which is not in ICSE class 10. Thank you for this. And if you like to solve the numerical of ICSE class 10, concise, Selena, or any publication, please visit to icsehelp.com. Thank you.